Janine, wasak na naman ang puso sa pagpanaw ng lolang si Miss Nora Honor. Panibago na namang dagok at pagsubok ang nilalabanan ngayon ng kapamilya star at TV host actress na si Janine Gutierrez at ng buo niyang pamilya sa pagpanaw naman ng superstar na si Miss Nora Honor. Nagbahagi nga ang actress sa kanyang Instagram ng larawan ng namayapang superstar at naging mahaba ang post niya regarding dito. With sorrowful hearts, we share the passing of our grandmother, Mama Guy, a treasure to our family but truly always more the people's than ours. She had a life of giving her immeasurable love to everyone she touched, whether on screen, through music, or in person. We are deeply grateful for the outpouring of love and support. Please keep our family in your prayers, especially Mama, Uncle Ian, Ate Matet, Kuya Kiko, and Ken. As we say goodbye, we find comfort in knowing she, the one and only superstar, will be forever loved. Nakakadurog nga ng puso ang mga nangyayari sa pamilya ni Janine, both side. Hindi pa nga nailibing ang kanyang mamita Pilita Corrales. Ngayon naman ay ang lola niyang si Nora Honor ang nagpaalam. Narito naman ang ilang naging komento ng pakikiramay ng ilang netizens. Ayon kay Miss Lotlot de Leon, thank you. At Miss Lotlot de Leon, my heartfelt condolences and prayers po sa inyo. At Miss Lotlot de Leon, our condolences and prayers, Miss Lot. Mahigpit na yakap nini, condolence to the family. Condolences to you, Janine, and your family. My sincerest condolences to your whole fam, Janine. Sending love and prayers. My deepest sympathies, Nini. Losing two grandmas, offering prayers for them and your whole family at Janine Gutierrez. You have all my prayers and support at Janine Gutierrez. Love to your family. Sending you all my love, Janine. Deepest condolences, Janine. Hugs. Sending your family all the love and comfort in the world. I love you, Nini. Sending you and your family all my love, thoughts, and prayers. My deepest condolences. Sorry for your loss. Praying for you guys. Sending prayers and comfort and peace to you and the entire family at Janine Gutierrez. Mamita and Mama Guy are singing together in the heaven with the angels. So sorry for your loss again. Thinking of you through these trying hard times in prayers. Condolence. May she rest in peace. OMG Janine, I'm so sorry. Condolences. Hugs, Janine. My heart goes out to you, Janine. I am so sorry. Yakap, Mami. Tight hugs, Janine. Yakap na mahigpit, Nini. My heartfelt condolences, praying for you and the whole family. Rest in power. The Philippine superstar, Miss Nora Honor. So sorry for your loss, Janine. May the soul of your Lola rest in peace. Another star, together with Pilitas, is added to the heaven. Yakap ng mahigpit, Janine Gutierrez. Sobrang nakakalungkot nga ang mga pangyayari dahil hindi talaga inaasahan na dalawang lola ni Janine Gutierrez ang papanaw na ngayong taong 2025 at halos magkadikit pa ang pagyao ni Pilita at ganun din ni Nora. Condolences sa buong family at rest in peace, Ate Guy. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.